Hi everyone, welcome back. So, if you watched part one, where I gave you an introduction very briefly, what is artificial intelligence, and that's the way of our future. If you look at Siri, if you have a Apple phone, Siri is artificial intelligence. And what's on Android? Let's Google. What what is the uh, Android version of Siri? Google Assistant. So that is um, an AI as well. So if you don't know what artificial intelligence is, it has been a part of our internet culture for a long time. Only now the term is used very widely, but there's nothing to be afraid of. Artificial intelligence are man-made creations used to help the to automate, to make things easier for a lot of us, because what one of the challenges I have as a creator, or anybody, even a parent or somebody who has a lot of hats to wear, a lot of who's juggling with a lot of different platforms, we have to answer many emails and answer many people from different languages, from different cultures. And what artificial intelligence does is try to bring us all to a common understanding that we can communicate better, we can learn better, and we can ultimately serve our planet and hopefully our families as well. So, here I go. Today I'm trying something very new. Just before I start this, I want to give you a disclaimer. I'm not sponsored or anything like that. I just found this as this is an uh, open source software, or it's on the internet. Okay, so I am just someone who likes to explore things on the internet, and I'm very much into education and finding new things and how we can build new things to help people. So my end goal is to help people who are new to technology, who's afraid of artificial intelligence, or who's afraid to, let's just say my inspiration is like my parents, they they don't use the laptop. I help them work the laptop. So if I can teach at least my parents and people who are like them, or if there's a student somewhere in Sri Lanka who's struggling to learn and they want to know what are the right sites to go to. So these are, or you could be anywhere. So if you want to reach out to me, you can ask me questions directly. I also have a fun YouTube channel which I try to be as authentic as I can. Currently, I'm on burnout with the YouTube channel. So we're gonna learn something today, because when I learn something, I always feel better. That's just the way that I work, because I grew up learning a lot of information as a child, and it just helped me become a better human. So if you're having a rough day today, I invite you to learn with me. Okay, so today I'm gonna learn about Chat GPT. How did I learn about Chat GPT? Is through word of mouth. I heard from another YouTuber, and I just went and tried it out. Okay, so and I read about it. So you can read what is Chat GPT. Okay, it's uh it's pretty much someone who's chatting. It's an when I chat to you, I'm a human chatting to you, right? Adam is a human responding to you. But what ChatGPT does is it has like a database of responses. It tries to look up for the best response for you and gives you that response depending on what you ask. So let's see. Okay, before we start with ChatGPT, you just need a simple Google account or a Microsoft Hotmail or Outlook account and a phone number. It is free. Like I said, it's freeware, it's open source. What open source means? Open source simply means it is free for use. So you don't have to worry about paying a single cent to use this application. Okay, it's just like if you were to use Google, right? Google's not gonna charge you to ask um, how are you, Siri? Oh, that's a song? I don't even know. Oh, I don't know what that is. Okay. I asked Google how to keep the basement warm because I live in the basement, right? So things like that, we are gonna now directly ask a chat, this AI. So we're gonna try it out today. I don't know what answers it'll give, but I like that they give these in the beginning. They say, Chat GPT, an example is explain quantum computing in simple terms. These are the examples, like how do I have a birthday party for a 10-year-old? How do I make, let's say for me, for instance, right? Where's a good place to go for for a creator, or something like that. So these are the capabilities of the chat GPTs. It remembers what the user said earlier in the conversation, allows user to follow up, okay, and train to decline inappropriate requests. This is very important. This is something that I, even as a human, I can I can use. I think I can learn from ChatGPT because a lot of times I would not know how to respond to inappropriate requests. So I think this is very important. So having an AI who is intelligent enough to decline inappropriate requests, I think is good for us to even learn the etiquettes of chatting and limitations. It's as you all know, this is AI. This is still in a work in progress, so they may generate incorrect information. Let's just say I ask what's the weather outside, and they might not have the most accurate weather for now. Okay, so just like that. So may occasionally produce harmful instructions or biased content, all right? Because they're just going off of what they have. This is not, this is according to what they have, okay? And then it says limited knowledge of world and events after 2021. So as of now, they're saying they only have information until 2021. All right, so let's just try a new chat. Okay, so if you want to get here to this page, you gotta go to openai.com /blog/chat GPT. That's your um, URL. Okay, so https openai.com /blog/chatgpt. You should be able to find it. Even if you Google it, you'd be finding it. Okay, it's very easy. Chat GPT. First thing that should come up. Yep. Right? It says here. You can read it. It's a pre-trained transformer. That's awesome. So I like the word transformer. So we're going to keep going. So new chat. Let's start a new chat. Oh, I can immediately. This is the chat thing. So I'm going to ask, hello. Oh, what happened? This didn't happen earlier. Oh, I think I know what happened. I might have to log in again. So let's see. So what happened is, sometimes it throws us off because it's still working under progress. So what you gotta do is log in or sign up. I'm already signed up, so I just want to log in. As I said, it'll once you sign up or once you hit that button, it'll direct you to continue with Google. What I do is I just continue with Google. And then I'm signed in from my Google account. Okay, I am Lotus Listen, and my phone number, I don't know, let's look it up. What's my phone number? I don't remember my phone number. I'm gonna go find it. Okay, I'm gonna go find my phone number. I'll be right back. Okay, I found my phone number. Now I'm gonna put it in. And then they will send me a code which I just received. So what's now? I'm back in Chat GPT. Alright, so once you're logged in, this is what it looks like. Again, it tells you this is a free research preview. That means they are doing this for research. Okay, that means it's open source. Okay, and our goal, you can read that. Conversations may be reviewed by our AI trainers. Don't share any sensitive information. They're just reminding you. Our system is optimized for dialogue. Let us know. Okay, thank you. And then we're gonna go done. Now let's try again. What was the question I asked earlier? Hello. What's the first thing I say? See, that's artificial intelligence. It's thinking. Yay! Hello. How can I help you today? Wow, that's really cool. Okay, let's ask. How are you today? Okay, as a language model AI, I do not have feelings or emotions, but I'm functioning normally. How can I assist you today? All right. What is good weather like? Okay, let's see what AI has to say about good weather. Can you guys read this? Can everybody read this? Because I'm learning. Good weather is subjective and can vary depending on personal preference and location. However, generally speaking, good weather is often described as being sunny, warm, and with low humidity. Some people also consider clear skies, moderate temperatures, and little wind to be ideal weather conditions. Okay, I agree. So I'll give it a thumbs up. Mm, oh, I don't need to give a feedback. I just want to say you. Okay. Submit. I don't want to submit. All right. I guess they were asking if I wanted to add to that. No, I think the AI did a pretty good job in answering that question for me. Um, what else? So let's see. Do people still read books? Yes, people still read books. Despite the rise of digital media, reading books. Okay, you guys can read this. I'm not gonna read. I'm not gonna read everything, but you all can read it because I want to get some water. I will send you the chat log once we're done. Let's see if I can bring this a little closer so people can learn better. Is that better? Yes, I think that's much better for everyone. So what if I say thank you? You're welcome. Okay. So they say feel free to ask. Do you like dogs? Oh, okay. What are dogs? I have a dog named Summer. What? Oh, it can respond. Summer. So remember from our introduction, all right, we're going to talk about this. It said that it's good with follow up questions. So it seems like It's like asking me what breed is Summer. So by definition, if it's good with follow-up questions, or if it's good with retaining information, this AI should be able to remember Summer next time I talk to this AI. So let's see if this AI from ChatGPT remembers Summer as my dog. So we'll test that in the future, okay? Because that'll be really intelligent if it can remember that. Um, what breed is Summer? Let's do cockapoo. Yay! See, I didn't even have to explain. Wow, wow. So this AI knows what cockapoos are. They even gave me. They're Summer. You're hypoallergenic. Where are you? Summer's sleeping. Summer's sleeping. Summer's tired after a long day. Um, I hope Summer brings you a lot of joy and companionship. Let me just show Summer to the people, because she's the reason why I'm learning all this. She's my inspiration. So that's Lucky. Lucky started all this. And then this is Summer. Where's Summer? Summer is here. Summer, we're learning, and the AI knows about you now. Isn't that awesome? Yes. Okay, let's get back to class. All right. So let's continue. She is taking a nap. Wow, this is so cool. Okay, you are helpful. Okay, wow. So this AI will answer me forever as long as there's a working internet and they, so remember this, okay? This is how, if you're new to the internet, okay, if you're an expert, this is not for you. But if you're somebody who's new, like my parents and people who are just learning, okay, when you're logged into a certain account, and whatever you type is based off of what you put in that account, all right? So if you, let's say, forget all these information, or let's say you forget your login next time, just like I did, and then you log back in with a different account, this AI will not remember who Summer is, because it's tied to this account, and the AI remembers me. It retrieves information based off of the Google account that I'm logged in as, right? So this is the frustration people have with AI. People like, oh my god, I forgot my password, and then I log back in, all my information is different, right? It's because whatever, if you want to the AI to remember the information you put in, you gotta retrieve that original account, all right? Or you have to put back in all the information that you put in the original account to this account, right? It's just how it is. Maybe in the future they'll integrate, maybe there's a way for you to pull things out from your older or lost previous accounts. But right now, I just want you guys to remember that, because even I have trouble remembering passwords. But in case you create a new account and you're chatting with with the AI, and it seems oblivious to your older questions, it's probably not updated, or it's not connected it, like it said, where is this? How do I scroll up? Okay, so I can scroll up here. I just use this. It says it's a language AI model, right? So remember, this is the computer answering, right? So what I want to show you people is the computer now is so smart. It is, and it's so blessed, because a lot of times people fear technology. Like this AI is answering in a good manner, in a decent manner, is giving me good information, and uh, let's ask something that's that's let's say let's just say something kind of negative, right? Not negative, but something like I'm tired. All right, I'm tired. So normally when I say I'm tired to a lot of people, and I don't blame them, they're not an AI, they're human, right? So they would say things like, they would tell me more reasons why they're tired, right? But that's not helpful for me as a human being. And the responses I grew up hearing in America is when I'm tired, people would normally give me resources how to come out of feeling tired. Like give me solution, right? So some people can't give me solutions, so that's why I'm reaching out to the AI today. Let's see what the AI says. Says it's important. First, the AI validates me. Okay, I understand. Important. Take a break. All right, time to recharge. Improve your mood. Might be a good idea. Get some extra sleep. Eat a healthy meal, or engage in some light physical activity to help boost energy levels. If you have trouble sleeping, you can also try some relaxation techniques such as meditation, deep breathing exercises to help calm your mind and promote restful sleep. That's amazing. That's like everything my mom would say, my dad would say, like a good human being would say. If you're tired, improve your mood. If you're fatigued, do these things. So this is like a summary of what you should do when you're tired. It's like a good thing, from a good reminder, because sometimes our friends are busy. We don't have people. We don't want to bother people. It's 7 o'clock here, right? Look at my time. It's 7:52. I don't want to be texting someone in Sri Lanka when it's their morning and say, "Hey, I'm tired." I don't want to ruin their day. So what I do is I just go to an AI and I just ask them, tell them, and then this is, you don't have to share this if you have something private. I don't know what people would ask, but just remember it's AI, so it has its limitations as well. All right, so what else? So far, this is so good. I feel refreshed talking to the AI, and I feel like it's doing a pretty good job. So my battery's running low on my phone. Okay, let's ask. Let's ask the AI. My battery on my phone is running low. Oh, the AI just went on network error. See, this happens, right? So this happened earlier when I was testing this Chat GPT. A few times I got the network error thing. If you have worked in IT, this is pretty normal, okay? So don't freak out. This is something normal that happens, okay? So be patient, but also find a solution. So what's the solution? Network error. We still want to talk to this AI. Let's ask this question again. So what I'm going to do is, what are the options here? We can No, we don't want to submit a feedback. What we want to do is we want to. I was trying to see if I could copy and paste and ask. Let's do that. Copy, new chat, and then we're gonna ask the AI here. Control V. See, we just have to start a new chat with the AI. It is recommended to charge your phone out of battery. Okay, see, that's a very practical answer. um, so that means I don't have much more time on my camera, the camera that I'm using to record this. So I'll end this chat session with this AI. Um, when I talk to you next time, would you remember summer? Oh, I thought you were good with follow-up questions. I'm confused. Okay, we're gonna have to figure that out. Alright, let's ask, who is Summer? Let's. Summer is my puppy. Now let's try. Will you remember summer? Oh, it says the same thing. Alright, my bad. So I guess it can't remember and retain information. I guess it's more of asking for simple questions. Alright, let's ask, what's a good bedtime? Okay, so I'm not a preschooler, I'm not a teenager, though sometimes I behave like that. I'm an adult, so 7 to 9 hours. So I think I do that. So I think I'm good there. What what are some activities to do during winter? Let's ask how to save money. So I need to do this. I thank you for reminding me. I need to cut down on subscription because it's the end of the month. I realize, oh my god, that's a lot of tips. All right, AI is still typing. I wonder if this AI has a name. For now, we'll just call them Chat GPT. Remember, saving money is a journey, not a destination. Okay, that's good. I've never heard someone say that with money. Start with small steps and be consistent. All right. And you'll see the benefit of, okay, that's very thoughtful. I've never gotten proper financial advice. um, and I will try to save this. Okay, so I'm gonna try and save this. How do I save this? Okay, I'm gonna save. This is important for me because I need to save more money. And I'm gonna open a Google Doc, and I will paste that there so that way I have that. Avoid high interest debt. Oh my god, yes, credit card and all that. Play off as quickly as possible. Consider investing your money in a savings plan. This can help. Alright. Shop for better deals. Good. Good. This is all good advice. And this is my Facebook channel, folks. If you want to be my friend, find me here. I'm also on YouTube. You can find me Adam S underscore Lucky. My link is on my Facebook page. And what else? What else did we learned something good? Let's say, teach me something good. Okay, this is useful. This is actually a really well thought or well put. Me as a human, it'll take me a minute to think of this, but this AI came up with this instantly. Did you know practicing gratitude can have positive effects on both your mental and physical health? Research has shown that taking time to regularly reflect on the things you're grateful for can increase feelings of happiness, reduce stress, improve. Okay, keep a journal. I'll try. Not very good at that. Write down three things. Well, I don't have to write them down. I remember them. Three things that I'm thankful for is my mom, my dad, summer. That's very easy. Mom, dad, summer. So I don't have to write them every day. It's the same. I'm thankful for those three. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna try and remember that. What else? Uh, let's just say cool. Let's just chat. Okay. Wow. So this AI is here to teach. That's great. I can learn so much from this AI. I will catch up with you tomorrow. Thanks for teaching me interact better. Yay! Good night, AI. Okay. So it says low battery, charge phone. That is my battery. So I'm gonna end this here. Before I go, let's just talk. So what did everyone think? Um, Please try this out. Try the chat with AI, and hopefully you come up with good questions as well, and hopefully it helps you as well. I'm gonna go to sleep. I don't want to look at the camera. Have a good night, everyone. Bye.